Noah and the blow dryer experience. Where are you going, little boy? Come here. Come here. Come back. Come back. Hehehehe